What's up, guys? It's Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Traxxas Sledge and the Arrma Kraton 6S RTR 6S. Did I say 6S already? Let's get into it. What I'm gonna do a comparison video with the two rigs right here, but you know the Kraton is faster. It's definitely faster. Servo is better. I just want to see the durability. I broke the Kraton about 4 times already. I broke the Sledge 1 time, and you figure I had this for like almost a year now. All right, let's get into the bag. The Sledge. All right, we all set now. I'm gonna do a table launch. I want it straight first. Table launch. Sound like something wrong with them diffs. I thought so. Multi-metal disc is called. Boom! Nice wet sand. I mean, the handling is nice in this car. Get rid of that servo. Yeah, I ain't gonna be able to get no wheelies. Full throttle. Let's let full throttle come past. Yo, this thing is a beast. This thing is a monster. I mean, I like the Sledge though, but it do need a few upgrades. It definitely needs some upgrades. I haven't had this up here yet though. She do fly nice. I wonder if I could pull off a backflip. Probably not. Peace. Whoa. Yeah, this gonna be the last run for this, because I can see the gears are gonna be shredded. Yeah, she is flying nice though. I did it better on that one. Yeah, but them gears about done. They are done. First crash. As for the durability, the Sledge definitely got it, except for them gears. So I guess that's part of durability, right? The car, if the whole car hold together, but the gears keep If the gears keep cramping out, then it's not durable. Woohoo! I don't even think I got that. Hopefully I did. Let's see if I can get it. Ooh. And she's down. Is she on her feet? Yeah, she on her feet. Let's make them crackle, y'all. Wow. It's best definitely to switch these gears out, man. Together, but it is what it is. What can you do? Now we got the Kraton now, success. Table on. Yeah, she ready to fly now. Yeah, but I broke this like about 4 times. I broke the cup, the arm, the what else? Yo, what the? Yo, this thing is a rocket, pure beast. That power ain't, I mean, because the Sledge was a little slower because of the gears too, so, like, god damn. Yo. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn it down though. I'm gonna have to turn it down when I mess with them jumps, because this thing gonna be all over the place. And just heads up, I broke the cup. I broke the diff cup to the front left drive shaft. The inner cup to the differential. So what I did was, the Arrma old cups not gonna fit, but the Team Karate cups will fit. Yeah, them cups will fit off the Team Karate for this. I started to do the whole drive shaft Team Karate, but it would not line up right though. Yo, I should have did a bag. Yo. I'm wondering, and this is like a comparison / test day. Oh, I like that. Let me see, can I hit that again? Of course I wouldn't. The steering is good as on this out the box. Electronics is good out the box. Everything is awesome. I'm gonna do a few jumps with it. I'm gonna have to tone it down though. I'm gonna have to put it on 75% for the jumps, because I can see me now over launching. What I don't understand about these cars, these expensive cars, these truggies, the Sledge and the Kraton, don't come with a wheelie bar. I don't understand that. Will the Kraton wheelie? Hell yeah. Then you mess up the wing, and then about half a year later, then they come up with a wheelie bar for it. Your wing done got raggedy. Oh yeah, and I got this, let's see if I can really make it come up. Whoa! I had the gyro all mixed up, didn't know which way to turn for a second. Peace! And the gear I'm using factory gear. I got the speed pinion in there. I shouldn't be having it in here for bashing, but why give it to you? Because that's all you can do with it. Ain't like I'm gonna do speed runs. But the thing is extra fast, extra torquey. I finally got a nice day to record, so 75% is fast too. Real quick. Whoa. Right. Yeah, I'm about done. I really didn't get too many good jumps though, did I? I don't want to keep jumping because I'm scared I'm gonna break something, but I'm gonna put them on the table, tell you my thoughts. This thing ain't no joke. All my thoughts on the table. This video ain't turned out like I wanted it to though, but hey. I'm back, I'm finished bashing now. Little minor bash, not too hard on it. Cause it's a little chilly out here and I don't want to break the parts on the Kraton again. As for performance, the Kraton performed awesome. The Sledge somewhat did, but the gears are done. Most likely it's the rear diff. Maybe the rear or the center diff went out on me. I haven't had the Kraton as long, so I can't really judge the diff durability yet. I'll put the price of the Sledge at the bottom right here so y'all can see how much that costs. And then I'm gonna put the price of the Kraton at the bottom right here. But the Kraton definitely get a 10 today. The Sledge gets an 8. Even though the Sledge is way more durable, but the gears aren't. The Kraton is durable to a certain extent, but I broke so many things on it. But it did come from bad crashes, so I can't really too much blame it. I don't think I had any real super bad crashes with the Sledge, but as for the Kraton, I had major bad crashes. Okay, that's enough yapping now. Hope you enjoyed that video. More coming soon. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.